And welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search in your Google Pixel 5a. So there is two ways on this phone to do it, by the Google Lens and by the web browser. So we'll start from the Google Lens method. So just choose the photo that you want to search in the Google and tap on the Google Lens icon. And now Google looking for the similar images automatically. Now the second method, we have to open the Opera or the other web browser, of course, and go to google.com. Now it's very important step. Just switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on the small camera icon and choose upload a file. Add a permission to gallery and choose your photo again. And how you can see, now Google again looking for similar or the same image. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.